So the question is like, what do you do with somebody who made it to college without study skills and then got into an academic tight spot in the first semester? Well, first thing you do is, you join the Facebook group for the 500 million people in that position, okay? Nobody shows up at college with study skills unless someone beat it into them, right? Nobody's got study skills. Everybody's on academic probation after the first semester. That's like so insanely common. Like, yeah, it's common, right? Now, the good news is that your kid is doing everything completely wrong. So and they got X grades. So to stop doing the dumb stuff, they'll be off probation. Start doing the good stuff, and then, oh my gosh, then now you're threatening to get some A's, right? So it's just an easy fix. Like you get them to. It doesn't feel good to be on academic probation. But the people I've seen who are okay with it are the people who know that their future is so secure financially that's not really going to matter if they get kicked out of this college or even the next college. Okay, so then it's easy to fix. Then it's easy to fix, right? Teach the kid the study skills. Everything they need, word for word, it's in the book. That's the same stuff I teach people when I go around teaching people one-on-one. It is in the book, word for word. It's the same stuff. Read the book, do what it says. Let me know how great your life turns out. Right? This is an easy fix. That's like so common. That's like scoop of chocolate, scoop of vanilla. You know that one? City Slickers? Okay. If you have any more questions, ask them to me in the back. Thank you, everybody.